In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trust Wallet account. Trust Wallet is a secure and decentralized way to manage your cryptocurrency directly from your own device. So let's dive in and get you set up. First, you'll need to visit the Trust Wallet website. Simply head over to the link Get the Trust Wallet app now on their homepage. This step is essential as it directs us to the official download source, ensuring the app's authenticity and your security. Once you're there, look for the download button. This is your gateway to starting the process. Now you'll want to click on the download option for the Trust Wallet, specifically designed for your browser. If you're using Chrome, for instance, you'll click on the Download for Chrome button. This action takes you to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll find the Trust Wallet browser extension. It's important to note that Trust Wallet has extended support for other browsers such as Brave, Opera, and Edge, so choose according to your browser preference. Hit that install button and let the extension load onto your system. Once the download is complete and the extension is installed, you'll notice the Trust Wallet icon appear on your browser's toolbar. Exciting, right? Clicking this icon will take you a step further into creating your wallet. Now, you're going to click on Create a new wallet. Before you proceed, pause for a moment to accept the terms of service. It's a standard procedure to ensure that you are aware of the wallet's safeguards and policies. Right after agreeing, here's where it gets crucial. The Trust Wallet will provide you with a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is your lifeline. It's the only way to recover access to your wallet should anything happen to your device. So make sure you write it down and keep it stored safely offline. Don't share it with anyone because if lost, your access to the funds is, unfortunately, irretrievable. After noting down your recovery phrase, you'll need to confirm it. This step requires you to re-enter the words in the exact order they were given. It's a way to verify that you've correctly noted them. Once entered, click Continue. And voila, your Trust Wallet is fully set up. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Trust Wallet account. You can now manage, trade, and store your cryptocurrencies with ease. Remember that keeping your recovery phrase secure is paramount for maintaining your account's integrity. Thank you for following along, and enjoy exploring the capabilities of your new Trust Wallet.